Are we still using Pinterest boards? It seems like these were talked about a whole lot more a few years ago, but maybe they're still used. Maybe I just don't hear it as much anymore. I think maybe my wife still has one. Not sure. Let me know in the comments if you are using a Pinterest board and what you use it for. Hey, I'm Bryan with Bound Web Design with another Squarespace tutorial for you. And today we're going to be talking about how you can set up your Squarespace website to where the pictures on your website can be saved to a Pinterest board. Okay, for this demonstration, I wanted to use a website that had quite a few pictures on it. And so I'm using the author website template that I am working on. I've almost pretty much got done. So if you're an author and you're needing a website, get in touch. We may be able to do something a little bit cheaper than normal because template's already made, and we can just get your info and get it plugged in, and you'll be off to the races with your website and be able to start marketing your book. But just a little bit quick look at this. And yeah, so if you have a book, you do speaking events, maybe a reading and then a book signing type of thing. You do those types of things, big perfect setup for that. But anyhow, back to the home page, and we will get into how you add the Pinterest button. So it's real simple. In the main menu here of your website, you click on the settings, and under the website part of the settings here, you're going to scroll down, and it's right below the fold there, the Pinterest save buttons. And you see here right now, you have the option, it'll be disabled, I'm sure, whenever you first click onto it, but you want to enable it for every page probably, unless there's a specific reason you want it to be just on your blogs, but for blogs, pages, and products. And then it lets you choose whether you want the logo to be small and rectangle, small and just the circle, big and large in the rectangle, or large and just a little circle logo. I like that look, so we're gonna go with it. We'll click save. We'll X out of this, and then we're probably going to have to refresh. Okay, and here it is. So like you can see, when you hover over the images, the logo pops up. And yeah, so like if one of these books, for example, like if I wanted to save this book to a Pinterest board, you can just click the logo, and it's I don't know they even have a Pinterest account, so I'd have to log in and stuff first if I did, but it would be able to save it to be able to pick a board that you wanted to put it on. Anyhow, that's how that works. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if you want more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.